Here we go, guys. Real quick video on theta, T-fuel, and total 3. And we'll break all these down in the correlation that total 3 has with theta and T-fuel, actually any of your altcoins. But let's take a quick look at theta first. It's the weekly chart. This is the main one I like to watch and keep up with. And quite honestly, once alt season started, and we'll show you where that happened. This is really the only chart you need, okay? Unless you're day trading this thing in and out, all you need to do for the next, year or so, a little over a year, is just watch the weekly chart. But let me show you uh, some history here. Now, the white arrow, as you see here, and then there's one over on this, well, somewhere over on this side of the chart, are they having locations, okay? And this was the previous one back in May of 2020. And as you can see, we had the big COVID slam down, big weekly drawdown candle, and then theta, caught itself and started trading. And this was technically the breakout candle that started alt season, for theta. And then here was the actual, halving cycle, that, the start of the run for Bitcoin here. And as you can see, we kept above the 20. Yeah, did we come back in sideways consolidation? And we've been seeing quite a bit of that lately. But anyway, this area here, we are consolidating sideways and then you break out. That's key areas you need to know about. And then theta loves those consolidations, which is great. Price just allows the 20 to come back up, catch up with it, and then price breaks out, as you can see here, several times. And the key takeaway here is that it rides the 20, okay? And I don't know, unless you're real nimble and flexible and you can keep an eye on these charts 24/7, whoa, I didn't want to do that. I don't know why you'd want to, get in here and risk losing some of your coins trading this thing in and out. I mean, not financial advice, I'm just saying. But I would, again, not financial advice, but I would say between now and the upcoming halving is your time to, possibly, load the boat, so to speak, with theta or theta fuel or any altcoin. I don't want to be biased here on any of them because you can see what happens in and around and after the halving. Not that that's going to, happen again exactly, but we know number one, absolutely 100% guaranteed that Bitcoin always in the past has added a zero plus sum to its price after the halving. Number two, once Bitcoin goes past the previous all-time high, it never comes back and starts trading, over an extended period of time under that all-time high. So 66, 67 grand, whatever it was exactly. Once we surpass that, we should not be coming back and trading under that floor anytime soon anyway, okay? So here we are present day, and as you can see, this long term from the all-time high down, the week or the 2 weeks, this will go down history is when the all altcoins broke out, okay, for this upcoming halving. Was here the week of October 23rd last year and the week of October 30th. As you see, we cleared the 20. We do not want to come back down. We can test the 20, but you do not want to start coming back down and closing weekly candles under this 20, okay? That could be a nail in the coffin, I'm just saying. So, yeah, we can get close to it. We've done it before and then rebounded off of it, but it's going to be hard to retake that 20 once you start trading under. And that's the same with Bitcoin. You go back to a Bitcoin chart, and I'll just do it real quick here and see the same thing. It rode that 20 right here, boom, 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 boom. See the breakout, boom. See the consolidation, breakout, so on and so forth. Anyway, getting off topic here. Let's go back. So near term, Resistance obviously is right at this red dash line going back to February 2023. So going on a year ago, that was a strong resistance zone, and here we are again. And then the primary thing to do, we need to start taking out the previous week. Each one of these is a week of price action. Okay, so we need to start taking out those big red candles there to the right, of course. And then we want to basically short term, near term, we want to stay up and over that 20. Okay, real quick on T fuel, kind of the same deal. This was the halving. That was the COVID slam down consolidation, the halving. As you can see, this candle here, I kind of laugh every time I see it because this is what everyone was expecting Bitcoin to have when the ETFs came out. Okay, that's what it looks like. That's one of those, candles to heaven here that everybody wanted. And again, T-Fuel loves those sideways consolidation zones at a huge candle, and all that had to be, eaten up regarding the amount of money that came in, so on and so forth. And, we got under the 20, 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks, like a month. This one was kind of on it. Then we finally broke out again. So kind of sketchy right in here because we could have lost it any time and came down. But that was a very powerful candle. And we were in the upper range of it. So that did help maintain that consolidation zone. Then we broke out and the rest is history, as they say. But here we are again, that long term from the all-time high down. Again, see the week of October 23rd. I mean, yeah, the week of October 23rd, 2023. And here we are. Guess what this is? Yeah, sideways consolidation zone. And let me see if I can find it right here. Basically, we are in an inside bar formation. See this green candle bar? You can wick over it, wick under it, whatever. But as long as you're in there, price, at least current near term price is safe from breaking down. Even if we do have the 20 here, we want to, do our best to maintain it and push up from there. But when we clear this and are able to close a candle, a green candle, like this one or what have you, above that red dash line, we should be, good to go up to the next. And all thing you have to do is just look for the next previous consolidation zone or high pivot. See, these will be the areas that will be resistance as you come up, okay? And just a real quick little chart school here. Let me show you. See, we have this low. Come on. Low here, higher low. And what you want are these W formations. Okay, we talked about that in other videos, but this is what gets you out of trouble. This is what, if you can see these, call these, know where to get in on these, you never have to work a day in your life. So anyway, that's to kind of break all this down. Let's go to total three. This is very interesting. Okay, right now, this is the total market cap of crypto, all your altcoins. Now it kicks out Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin and Ethereum are not included in this. Okay, so that's a good thing. We just want to look at the regular altcoins, I guess you could say. So anyway, here's the halving back in 2020. Why don't we go back and look at all that just to show you how this stuff repeats itself? Not exactly every time, but comes very close. Here's a COVID slam down. Then money started coming back in. Here's your halving cycle date right there. And then, here we go. Even with the money coming in, it consolidates, breaks out, consolidates, breaks out. And if we go over here, see again, we're making those lows and higher lows. See right here, and then right through here, kind of consolidation. And then basically we broke out on this candle there. And the same deal. This is the main takeaway. See, we had a breakout candle here, week of October 16th, 2023. And then here's the week of, October 23rd, 2023. This will be known as the bottom of the altcoin, market, and then we moved up from there. So Here's the money coming in. And this is a measured move, that green dash line that our Patreon members know how to figure. But anyway, we're up and over that now. That's very bullish, very positive. But remember, this is a weekly chart. We still have 6 days to go. So we need more money coming in here in order to stay above that green dash line. Then we could consider that a breakout, and then we could possibly accelerate from there. But uh, just as important, I want to mention, well, also let me show you this. This high pivot here is a little bit of resistance, okay? Right through there. So we got to, yeah, push ourselves up through there. But all in all, reason why I'm mentioning this chart as well is that this candle here currently, it's not a big candle. It's, just a regular, uh, I guess, compared to all the others, about an average size green candle coming in here. Of course, like I said, we had 6 days ago, so it could, get a little bit better like some of these in this range. But if you click on or pull up your altcoin, doesn't matter if it's Data, T-Fuel, Link, Solana, ADA, Cardano, ETH, Ethereum, it should have a similar looking green candle. Okay, what does that mean? That means that you're getting some of this, where we at now, oh, a little over $9 billion has come in. Okay, and this is about a $9 billion candle of the money coming in, and your altcoin, if it has a similar green candle, is getting some of that 9 billion. That's positive. That's good. You want to be getting some of the money, being flushed into your coin that's coming into the market. If your coin is red, uh, or has a lot smaller or no candle, no green candle here, especially if it's red, then that's probably not um, a coin that's pulling in, the current market, so to speak. Okay, and the bigger the candle, the more similar your candle is on the weekly to this one, the better. Okay, and I guarantee you, 100, well, yeah, I'll go. Yeah, that's a guarantee that if you go back and look at your altcoins, they should have a big green candle. Maybe not as big as these, because this is the total market cap for those smaller altcoins, but they should have a nice green candle the week of October 16th and the week of October 23rd, if that makes sense. Okay, and all we got to do now is just maintain up and over the 20. Okay, to make this thing happen. Then, as you can see, when money starts, well, there's a little bit more to it than that, but and our Patreon members know how to figure that. But when you get extended above the 20, both time and distance, that's when we know it's time to kind of start scaling out, selling out, maybe even rotating to the short side, so to speak. And that's with any market, Dow Jones, um, any of your stocks, metals, commodities, you name it. Everything runs the same way. The same breakouts, same breakdowns, the high pivots, low pivots, consolidations. Anyway, it's real. Once you learn the fundamentals, you can trade anything on any timeline, on any chart. But guys, appreciate you watching. Come over and check us out on Patreon. Learn how to do this on your own, and give us a follow on the X, and we'll see you.